welcome back. So today's video is the first Primark haul of 2018. The first time I actually stepped into a Primark this year so far. I made it to January, to the end of January, so I think I did pretty okay-ish. I popped in literally for gym socks, like trainer socks but special gym ones. I got those, but I also got many other things. So let's go. First off, I got this very basic scarf. It was £6, but I don't have a cream or white scarf, so I thought I would pick this one up. And it's kind of like the same texture, material and size as my pink ASOS one that I wear all the time. So I thought I would pick this one up. I just thought it was nice, it's cozy, and obviously we'll just go with absolutely everything. And now there is fluff dancing in front of my face. Can't wait for that to get in my eye. Surprise, surprise, I picked up a beret. I saw this and I did that thing where you see it out of the corner of your eye, but I have a system in Primark where I stick to my system and I walk around a certain way in areas first. So I saw this out the corner of my eye and I was like, I'll be back for you, beret. And I was. I have got another beret in here somewhere of a different colour. So now I've got black, pink, and now I have grey. I think it was like £4, just basic beret, and it does the job and I love it. I got this pair of earrings. They're just these gold, they're gold with a little semicircle and then white tassel. I just thought they were fun, just thought they were cool. I've got a lot of tassel earrings at the moment, so if you're still on the hunt for a nice pair of tassel earrings, go check out Primark. Right, this is in no particular order. I've got a little bag and I've also got a big bag, so we're just gonna go. We're gonna go with it. First off, this was £13, already taken the label off because after my Primark trip I went to my sister's house. Her house was freezing, so I put this jumper on and I really like it. It's really nice and snug. It's a plain grey knitted jumper, long sleeve, and then it's not just plain grey, is it? We've got some fun little pom-poms at the bottom. You can't, I mean, it kind of goes tight at this bit, so the pom-poms can get a little bit lost, and of course if you're wearing black on your bottom half then they can get lost again. But we're going to make this work, maybe with like patterned trousers or over the top of a casual dress or something like that, but it's just a nice chilled jumper. Rupert! What are you doing in there? You being mischievous? I expect I'll hear an answer. Never do. I got another jumper while I was in there, and I've seen this one in there before and I just didn't buy it, and then I was like, I definitely have to buy it. This was also £13 and it's just cream or off-white and it's chunky knitted, and then it's got these the black stitch detailing around the neckline and on the cuffs. Oh, it's not the bottom. Cuffs and neckline, but I just really like that and I thought that would look nice with any coat, any jacket, pair of trousers, pair of leggings on those chill days. I just really liked that. I thought it was a really nice jumper. It looked a lot more expensive than at £13. Right gang, I've got some gym wear, haven't I? Lol. We'll see how this... Oh no, these are just normal leggings. Just picked up some normal leggings, £2.50. Are they still £2.50? I don't know, they used to be £2.50. Normal leggings. Not very interesting, but I got some workout leggings. Try to hold in your laughter. £8, and they're just plain black, and then they've got this like floral design down the sides. They look like the Ted Baker ones, but they're just lycra and gym material, so we shall see how these are when I'm at the gym. Okay. That's all I have to say about that. These are the sport socks I was telling you about. These were £3.50. They're called Sport Footies. They are breathable, super soft, and have lightweight fabric with ventilation mesh and comfort top. I do like a comfort top and ventilation mesh. I don't actually know the purpose of these, but I needed some socks to wear with my trainers, and I've only got like fun ones, and I thought like fun trainer socks, so I thought maybe I should get some sensible ones so that I can be a serious gym goer. Here's my other beret. It's a burnt orange one, or rust, so interesting colour choice for me, but yeah, £4 just like the other one. What I tend to do with berets, I wear them like behind my fringe. A lot of people will wear them so they're here, but it just looks really weird on me. I unfold, so there's another seam here, I unfold that, and that's how I get it to go like poofy. I'll try and insert a picture and explain what I mean, but that's how I wear my berets. So yes, I've got a burnt orange one to add some colour to my life. I bought this belt. I never buy belts, I don't wear belts, but I was like, go on, round the waist belt, because it was £3 and it's like the fake Gucci looking one. It's the two gold circles intertwining like a Venn diagram. It's not a Venn diagram, it's a circle diagram. Is that a Venn diagram? Wow, it's been a long time since I've been in a classroom. But yes, I thought I would collect that, pick that up, and you just like pop it in, do you? We'll figure that out someday. But yeah, I thought that was a really nice belt. £3. Got my 90p oval cosmetic pads that I can use with my micellar water. I ran out of these things so quickly, so it's always handy to pick those up. Where is my gym top? Oh, here we go. I thought I'd go with this one. They did have a grey one that I was going to get, and I was like, wow, grey shows sweat very easily and black is very slimming, so we went with the black one. This was £3.50. Again, this is fast absorb, quick dry, machine washable, lightweight fabric and seamless fabric. So yes, we shall see. Looks like this. Again, it's like that lycra material. Don't you just love when I'm really crisp and in focus? But basically it's like lycra and stretchy and air-tex, is that the word? I'm not sure, but yeah. We're gonna go with that. Got some tights, some 3 pairs of 40 denier tights, £3. I got XL because I like to wear them up here. This is such a random Primark haul. There are bits of everything in here. I got these pyjamas because I thought they were so cute. I picked up another pair and I saw this pair and I was like, oh, I don't need 2 pairs of new pyjamas, so we'll go with this one. So it's like a button-down pyjama set and it's pale pink with little Minnie Mouses, black and white Minnie Mouses. Do we just love that? And of course it came with the trousers, a little black bow. So this was about £14, I think. Were you? Oh, I don't know the label. Yeah, £14 for the set, and I just thought they were so cute. Like if this was in Disney World, that'd be like $30. So yes, absolutely love those. Can't wait to wear those. Although my heating comes on at such weird times. It's like 6 PM and then 4 AM. So I need to adjust that because it gets boiling when I sleep. Righty, picked up this fluffy circle. A little cushion. My bed at the moment has got a grey the grey Zoella cushion with the cloud, and then a knitted cushion with pom-poms at the corners, so it's very neutral. So this one was £3. Picked that up. I just really liked it. I feel like I need a third cushion on my bed. They did have a pink one as well, but I just went for this one. I forgot I bought Fanta. Also, these bottles are new. Like, they look like a henchman. Can we see that? It's very strange, but I'm very excited that I now have Fanta. I bought a pack of 2 pink pillowcases. I thought these would look nice on the back pillow. So I have 3 pillows. Well, there's 6 obviously, but there's 3. And I wanted the back ones to be pink. So I got 2 pink pillowcases. I wish they were a bit more of a rosy pink. They're quite pale pink. I don't know if the colour's picking up properly on camera. But this was, I don't know, the label's come off, but I wouldn't expect very much. And then I got some luxury face cloths for £2.50 because I just don't know where my flannels have gone. And also flannels can get a bit grotty over time, so always in need of a replenishment. I got this candle. I thought it was a really nice colour. It's in number 43 Vintage Blossom, which is lily and honeysuckle. Burns up to 50 hours for £1.50. And it just smells so nice. I obviously need to put it on a little candle dish, so when I burn it, the wax doesn't go everywhere. But I just thought that was a really pretty colour. I might put that over there. Oh, I just realised I haven't even lit that candle. Wow. Good work. I also picked up these combs. When do I not pick up combs on in Primark? Do you know why I always pick up combs? Because I lose combs. I have lost more combs than I have eaten crisps. And there's a lot of crisps that I've consumed. So many combs have gone amiss. So pack of 2 for £2. I love the ones with the tail because when I have my big poof look, an existing comb, I can like go in and make it more poofy. Do you get me? And you know what else always goes missing? Hair grips. Pack of 60 for £1. Guarantee you I'll have 10 by the end of the week. Then I picked up 2 makeup items to test. This one is a velvet matte lipstick crayon in the shade Uncovered, and it was £2. I thought that this was a similar shade to the lipstick I'm wearing now, which is a Kat Von D liquid lipstick in Lovesick, which is one of my favourites. But I thought I would give this a go because a lot of you guys have said that these are good. So I'll probably do like a full face of first impressions with loads of different new products I've got and use that on my lip. So I will save that for that. Then I also picked up this, which is the Rose Powder, pressed powder to set makeup and brighten complexion for all skin tones. This was £4. I've used rose powder before and I really like it, so I thought I would give the Primark one a little whirl. And that concludes today's Primark haul. It was such a random one, especially because I only went in there for a pair of questionable black gym trainer socks, but I'm very excited with all my purchases. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the first Primark haul of the year. Give me a big fat thumbs up if you did, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!